Hi there and welcome back to my channel. My name is Alexandra from Sesala Design, and this week I will show you another thrift flip project. This is my third similar project and I do enjoy making them. I love the print of this jumpsuit and I didn't want to get rid of it, so I had to make some adjustments to keep it in my closet. So let's get started. I use my seam ripper to separate the bodies and the pants. I also get rid of the sleeves. Moving to the adjustment and the sewing part. I started with the easiest part, the pants. The jumpsuit had elastic and I had to take it out. I sewed the opening, and after that I sewed the upper seam. I put the elastic back and done with them. Moving to the blouse. I took the sleeves, measured them, and cut them in 4 parts. I use 4 parts to make the bottom ruffle of the blouse. And I took the curved part and the small pieces from the previous sleeves and I joined them. I sew it and use the serger for nice clean edges. I press them I cut the extra fabric from the sleeves . And I did the hem for the bottom ruffle and the sleeve. I gathered the sleeves and the ruffle. I used the same method as before for the gathering. I increased the length of my stitch, sewed 2 parallel lines, and pulled the 2 threads. I attached the ruffle to the blouse . And also the new sleeves. I sew it and use the serger for each unfinished edge. To completely finish the sleeves, I made a small hem under the arm. Final step, I decided to put elastic in the waist. I measured my waist and extracted 6 cm from the measurement. I cut the elastic and I choose a zigzag stitch. And I sew the elastic to the blouse. Now it's time to show you the look. I have videos only with the blouse because I didn't have the opportunity to wear the pants yet. But I can tell you, now it's more comfortable to wear both of them and I have for sure more style options. And that's it this week. I hope that you enjoyed today's video. And if you have any questions or advice, as usual, my comment section is open. Don't forget to subscribe, give me a thumbs up and share if you learned something new that you enjoyed. Until next time, let's find inspiration.